أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Another form of poem, another form of poetry is
Limerick.
what?
Limerick.
Limerick. Limerick is a funny poem.
Funny poem.
How many lines are there?
Five.
Five lines are there. Cinquin,
Cinquin.
five lines are there. What is clear?
Yes, sir.
Limerick, rhyming pattern. Line number 1, 2 and 5 are rhymed. What is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
1, 2 and
Five.
5. Line number 3 and 4, their length is shorter.
Shorter.
And they are also
Rhymed.
rhymed. So how many rhymes are there? Two rhymes are there. First rhyme we see at the end of line number 1, 2 and 5. This is first rhyme.
Yeah.
Rhyme number 2 we see
Rhyme.
at the end of line number 3 and 4. What is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Another feature of Limerick is there that line number 5, it refers to line number 1.
One.
Funny poem, 5 lines. Line 1, 2 and 5 are rhymed.
And
Line
three.
number 3 and 4 are rhymed. Clear?
Yes.
Line 3 and 4 are shorter compared to line number 1, 2 and 5. And line number 5 refers to line number 1. Let's have a look at it. I really don't know about Jim when he comes to our farm for a swim. The fish, as a rule, jump out of the pool. Is there something the matter with him? Line number
Three.
3 and 4 shorter.
Shorter.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
See, rule and pool
are
are rhymed.
Yes.
See, Jim, swim, him
Are rhymed.
rhymed. Now, line number 5 refers to line number 1. I really don't know about
Jim.
Is there something the matter with him? Limerick is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
The next is nonsense. What's that?
Name.
We shall discuss in detail tomorrow, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Any question?
No, sir.
Allah sona de hawale.
CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, M English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA Level 16 weeks, Skill to Read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks.